Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to illustrate how to use an AVG aggregate function as a window function. In the previous lecture, I illustrated a simple AVG function, which is an aggregate function. So this is the query I use. So I'm going to run that again so that you can see that an aggregate function returns a single value, so it will perform the function on all the rows within the table but will return a single result value. An an analytic or window function behaves in the opposite direction. It will perform the same calculation but can return multiple values or multiple rows. So in this query I've added here, the query is going to return the product name, the price, the product group name, along with the average prices of each product group. So in the query, the AVG function here is working as a window function that operates on a set of rows specified by the over clause. So what that means, each set of rows is called each set of rows is called a window. So this over here is what gives this query an analytic edge. So we are getting the data from this table called products, and we are doing a join, a simple inner join with this table called products underscore groups using the group ID from that table. All right, so let me highlight this, run the query so you can see the output. You can see in comparison with the aggregate function, this has returned, you can see multiple values for each group. So what actually happens behind the scenes, PostgreSQL will sort out the rows by their values in the group underscore name column. The partition by will then group the rows into groups. Then the AVG function calculates the average price for each product group. Okay? A window function will perform calculation on the result set after the join, or in cases where you have the where or the group by or the having clause complete. Okay, so it will do all that, but also before the final order by clause. So if you've got several order by clause, the window function will kick in before the final order by clause, but it will do so where there's a join. After the join, once the result has been calculated after the join, or where there's a where clause, or where there's a group by clause, or a having clause. Once all that is completed, it will then apply the window function. So that's it for this lecture on using the AVG aggregate function as a window function. In the next lecture, I'm going to take a look at the row number function. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.